In this video, I will show you how to change to landscape mode in Canva. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are on canva.com. Now you might want to change to landscape mode. As you can see, this is in portrait mode at the moment, but this photo is designed really for landscape. Now to go ahead and do this before we continue, I just want to make a note that you do need Canva Pro. However, once you've got Canva Pro, or if you do already have Canva Pro, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and you can see an option up here which says resize and magic switch. As you can see, the Canva Pro symbol is shown here, so yes, you do need Canva Pro to do this, but what you want to do is click onto this option. And what you want to do is come down and where it says browse by category, you should see an option called custom size. So what you can do is click onto this. And then what we can do is enter our custom size. Now to go ahead and change this from a portrait to a landscape, what you're going to want to do in the width box, you want to put 1280, and in the height box, you want to put 720. Just like this. And once that's done, just go ahead and press the purple continue button at the bottom. What it's going to do is give you a preview of what it's going to look like. So as you can see, we've changed it to a more landscape mode design. Then if you're happy to go ahead, just go ahead and press the purple copy and resize button. So what it's going to do is copy resize your image in landscape mode. So what you can now do is press the purple open button just here. What it's going to do is open up a new document. As you can see, this has now switched to landscape. So that is how to go ahead and change to landscape mode in Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.